years, that is longer than the time that you took in primary school, longer than the time that you took in high school, similarly longer than the time that you took in university, master's plus degree, even PhD combined together. I say that to say this, that retirement is not a short phase, it's a full life stage that you have to prepare for adequately if you want to live stress-free during that time. So the question becomes, from your savings, the savings that you have, can those savings fund you for 20 or 30 years of the time that you'll be retirement? So that's the calculation that you're going to look at. Section 2, let's look at the monthly retirement expenses. Now, retirement planning starts with one simple question that most people always forget. And this is the question: how much money do you need per month to live comfortably? To understand this, you have to start with your current monthly expenses, because when you retire, things will not change automatically. And let us assume that you currently spend, because we're talking about retirement, let's talk about 100,000. You pay rent, you buy food, so let's cap it at 100K. So let's say that you currently spend 100,000 Kenyan shillings per month. Remove things like school fees if kids have grown up, or remove also mortgage if it's fully paid, or if there are some other